Hello and hi to sweet viewers of Easy Health Tips. I'm Dr. Sheen and you are watching your all-time favorite YouTube channel Easy Health Tips. Before moving towards our today's topic, I request you to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon in order to get latest videos first of all. So let's start our today's topic. NASA instruments show carbon monoxide concentrations from California wildfires, which are alarming. The observations from Earth orbit show concentrations of carbon monoxide. You can check this, that are more than 10 times greater than the usual amounts, which is alarming. NASA's atmospheric infrared sounders captured carbon monoxide coming from wildfires that recently hit California. There were 28 major wildfires burning across the state as September 14, including the August Complex Fire, which started on August 17. Since then, the fire burned over 1900 square kilometers, which is much more, making it the largest fire on record in California. The animation shows 3-day average of carbon monoxide concentration, around 5 kilometers up in the atmosphere between 6 and 14 September. The red and orange areas indicate regions with extremely high carbon monoxide concentration of greater than 350 parts per billion by volume. The more normal concentration of carbon monoxide range from 30 to 50. Carbon monoxide is a pollutant that can persist in the atmosphere for about a month. It is released by the fires along with smoke and ash and can be transported great distances. At the high altitude mapped in NASA's images, it shows that the gas has little effect on the air we breathe. However, strong winds can carry it downwards to where it can impact air quality as well. Carbon monoxide plays a role in both air pollution and climate changes. The intense heat from the wildfires pushed the carbon monoxide high into the atmosphere. The jet stream then blew the carbon monoxide plume to the east, across the US and over the Atlantic Ocean. NASA's AIRS and AMSU instruments sense emitted infrared to provide an overview of Earth's weather and climate. With more than 2,000 channels sensing different regions of the atmosphere, the system creates a global three-dimensional map of atmospheric temperature and humidity, cloud amounts and heights, and greenhouse gas concentrations. The AIRS and AMSU instruments were launched into Earth orbit in 2002. They fly on board NASA's Aqua spacecraft. All our viewers, thanks for watching. Kindly share with your fellows for their knowledge as well.
Alright viewers, have we finished the topic? You can give us your precious feedback in the comment section below. And don't forget to share this video with your fellows. Also subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to show your love and support. Thank you. We'll be right back tomorrow with a new and interesting video. Till then, take care of yourself, your friends and family. Bye bye.